So hi, we're now in the repair department of Hideout, and I'm working here with Belinda, one of our machinists, and she's working on a job that we've got for Mitchell. Now Mitchell came in because his RST two-piece wasn't fitting him correctly. The arms were too long and the legs were too long. So what we need to do is we need to get those armour parts into the right place by cutting sections of leather out to move those up. Belinda here is making sure that obviously once it's all sewn back properly together, everything's top stitched, double stitched internally, so it has the same integrity it did as it came in. This is a kind of day in the life of the repair department. So some of the array of jobs that we've got on at the moment. From here I've got some hog badges that are going to be going on this new waistcoat here. We've got a little bit of a crash damaged ST suit, which this has probably happened because the airbag's gone off and the stitching wasn't quite good enough to hold it all together. And we've also got one of our high pro suits. So I've got a customer, I think she must have had this, I think probably about 6 or 7 years now. And unfortunately, the one thing that we can't find is Velcro that lasts forever. So this one is here to have a new bit of Velcro. This is a pair of vegan leather trousers that we've made for one of my vegan customers. And that's just here for a bit of TLC. And I think he wants some perforations and bits for the summer. This is one of my crashed suits, so we'll be doing a little piece on this because this was one of my customers touring Scotland. They put down some new road surface, took him and the chap he was with off, not at particularly high speeds, but a really sharp road surface, and he's actually taken quite a bit out of his suit, but the other guy was in a set of denim jeans and there was nothing left of the denim jeans. So he is waxing lyrical about his good old Hideout suit now, because this absolutely saved him. Did not go through one part, just took the surface off. I think he did have something in his pocket though, which I think is what everyone does. So you can see how bad this was. But this is the outer layer, so that's why we put this inner layer in, because if you do go through the outer, you're never ever going to get through inside. So this is how we kind of learn. That's the great thing about the repair department for us, is that we see absolutely what happens during accidents on the road, and we can obviously build then our suits so that doesn't happen. And then what else have we got here? We've got some calf zips and a big old alteration again to make sure that they fit, because there's no point in having these fabulous suits if they don't fit you. This chap's proper old favourite leather jacket, and he wants us to give it some TLC, a new lining, feed the leather because it's gone really super crispy, which leather does after a while if you don't look after it. So we're going to feed this, we're going to re-dye it, reline it and get it back to new. And you can see some of our old, I think I probably made that suit 20 years ago. It's still going. So what's it here for? Some more TLC. Clean, feed, check all the stitching and make sure it's going to last for another 20 years. And it goes on. So more and more repairs, cuff zips. This one's going to have all its logos, so we're going to put all fancy new logos for racing. So that's just a day in the life of. There we go.